don't get enough sleep, let me tell you.
Mom! Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
It's fine, honey.
Ugh. But what about bacteria?
Tantor, can't you see Mummy's talking?
Watch out! There's something swimming! It's coming right at you!
Honey, Mummy's losing her patience.
But this time I really see something!
Oh, boy.
Piranha! It's a piranha!
Sweetheart, there are no piranhas in Africa.
Don't tell the kid that. Of course there are piranhas in Africa.
No, she's right. They're native to South America.
Get out of here. No way.
Come on now. Do you think I'd be standing here if there was?
Ah! It's right behind you!
For the last time, honey, there are no piranhas in...
My butt!
I told you!
Oh, there's something on my butt! What is it? Are there any more of them? What is it?
It's a piranha!
He's dead. We're dead!
We didn't do it! They're the
Thank you, Kerchak.
Tarzan, buddy! Buddy, come on, Tarzan, don't die on me! Don't die on me! You weren't supposed to do
Get
it!
away from there! Don't you know a piranha can strip your flesh in seconds?
What? He's not a piranha! He's alive! He's alive! He's alive!
He's alive!
He's alive! You idiot! You nearly gave me a heart attack! You happy?
Uh-huh.
I don't believe it. You got the hair?
Is that what this is all about? I got a whole tail of them.
Oh, no.
Who's that?
My mom. Tarzan.
Hi.
Hi, Aunt Carla.
Oh, you scared me. What happened?
Well,
It's sort of it's involved because what happened, it was a weird...
What happened?
it was my fault, Kerchak.
Tarzan.
We were playing, and, well, I'm sorry, Kerchak,
You almost killed someone.
but it was an accident.
He's only a child.
That's no excuse, Kala. You can't keep defending him.
But he'll learn.
He will never learn. You can't learn to be one of us.
Because you never give him a chance.
Give him a chance. Kala, look at him. He will never be one of us.
Kerchak.
That's what you get!
Boy,
Think I'm afraid of you! You're nothing to me!
boy, look at me. Look at me, boy. Boy, look at me. You are not ready.
What? Are you serious? I found the deer. I proved myself. How am I not ready?
We are going home.
I haven't been sick in a long time. I can do this.
You are not ready.